Question number 15 says that A is less than B. So how many solutions are there for the equation? And we have the factored form of the equation. First of all, we need to make sure that we recognize it's equal to 0. Okay, so that's very important that it's equal to 0. So we can use the zero product property to solve this. So looking at the first factor, we're going to end up with cosine of 5x is equal to b over a. Now, this looks okay other than the fact that when we first define this, b is bigger than a, that means that that must be bigger than 1, and cosine cannot be bigger than 1. So this is going to give us no solution. So then we can move on to the next bracket. Okay, so here we end up with sine 2x is equal to a over b. Well, since a over b is less than 1, there are solutions here. And for each period, there should be 2 solutions. Okay, so because our period is going to be affected by that horizontal compression, we're going to get 2 sets of solutions in our domain that we've been given from 0 to 2 pi. So normally we would have 2 solutions, right? But because of that horizontal compression, we're going to have to multiply that by 2. We're going to have to double the solutions, so we get 4 solutions. Okay, so because of that horizontal compression, we have to double the number of solutions that we would expect in the period between 0 and 2 pi. And then lastly, we can take a look at this expression here. Solving for this, we get tan squared 3x is equal to 1. Tan of 3x is going to be equal to plus minus 1 from square rooting that. Okay, so each tan expression should have 2 solutions, but because we have plus and minus, we're going to get 4 solutions. So when I draw this out, the primary solutions are going to be looking like this. So there's 4 of them in one period. But the problem is, again, we have a horizontal compression. Okay, horizontal compression of 3 means that we're going to get 3 sets of those 4 solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So we're going to end up with a total of 12 solutions. Okay, so adding this all up, we're going to have 4 solutions from the sine plus 12 solutions from the tan. That's going to give us a total of 16 solutions in total.